Clipboard Fusion is a pretty nifty tool that can add a macro and run that every time that your clipboard gets updated. To configure that macro, first you download it from the blog post that I just created, and then you go into Clipboard Fusion, and then to the settings, and then from the macro stop, you can import the link directly here. And if you want to, you can verify the code to see if it still compiles. It should. You can run the code, and you can see that it should add the MVP ID to the list. You can configure your own MVP ID here. You hit OK. This one already exists, of course, so I'm going to hit cancel. Then on triggers, you're going to add a new trigger. You're going to configure it to use a run macro. You're going to select your macro, hit OK. The default is when the trigger is enabled. This is OK for me. You can configure all kinds of other stuff if you want to as well. You can configure exactly when you want the macro to run. For me, it's every time that the clipboard gets updated. And then I hit OK. So I can copy this and I can paste it. And as you can see, the ID gets added automatically. It's that simple.